Well, this one has a striped tail.
They are usually laid in a hole.
Hope they survived, but this one's still here. It's got a striped tail. He's not moving, but I know he's alive. He's just pretending. I saw him move just to say he's got one leg right on that blade of grass right there.
Oh, yeah.
He's going right onto it. He's like, I'm not moving. You can't see me. All right, so I think what I should do then is move my operation over here and just leave it be for now and onward. Hi, welcome back to the Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We are ready to start day 3 of our big front yard project here. Got all the way to here. Yesterday we got from about this line right here all the way to here. But as you can see, we still have quite a bit more to go. Today I'm going to try and get as far down as close to the fence. I would like to get this whole area right here done, just up to the fence, all these weeds, and then as far as I can get on these 2 roses. So, judging by how far I got the first 2 days, that's going to be a lot to accomplish in one day. So we may be back out here tomorrow, and then we'll have to put some kind of barrier down, probably cardboard and some walkable mulch, some bark mulch or something. You're probably wondering, why are we doing this all by hand? Why don't we just spray some herbicide? We try to avoid using herbicides, pesticides as much as possible. There's a lot of wildlife in this area. We don't want to damage the roses. We have pets, etc., etc. So it's a lot of extra work, but it's totally worth it in the end when you see how good it looks. So anyway, I'm going to get started. I'm going to set up the camera and we'll just do a time lapse. today's rock. It is asphalt. So, yeah, not actually at all useful. Let me get a. There's a teeny tiny little lizard that looks like a tadpole.
Yes,
It's almost like transparent. It's like this gray, but
it's like smaller than my.
it's a like a newborn blue
Yes.
belly or something, because it's got like this kind of blue tinge to it, but it's
That's the lizard. There was a blue belly that got stuck in. After about 2 months, these eggs hatch, resulting in the many baby western fence lizards we can observe in late June and July.
fence lizard. I can see what they call a fence lizard. I think what I should do then is move my operation over here and just leave it be for now, and onward we go. Deeper, but the roots are kind of shallow on this one. So I'm gonna stop here for today. I'm gonna put this back down in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of food here. I'm gonna feed them all when this is done. But since this one's gonna be a little bit in shock with the Alright, so I'm gonna call it a day there. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish this up here. Hi folks, well, it's the end of another day here at the Ponderosa, at least the end of our gardening day. Sun's coming out. I got out here about 3 hours ago, about 7:15. It's just going on 10:30. So good timing today. We had a nice cloud cover. I got a lot done. I got from right about here to over here to this rows. I wanted to get a little bit further up to about where that stake is, but I'm just running out of time. Frankly, I'm running out of energy. This is the third day in a row. Tomorrow will be the fourth day. We're going to try and finish this off. I'm going to move that fence out of the way in a minute. As you can see, there's a lot more of the weeding to do. Things got a little complicated today. For one thing, we found a teeny tiny little baby fence lizard right here, so we backed off. Again, that's why one reason that we don't use herbicides to get rid of the crabgrass. We would have killed that little baby lizard. Tomorrow I will see if I can, how much of this I can finish off. Again, it got a little tricky around the roots of this particular rose too, because the roots were a little higher up, so the crabgrass was intertwined with the roots. We don't know what we're going to see when we get to this one. We'll find out tomorrow. So another reason it went slower today is that I found an area here where there's a bunch of asphalt, little chunks of asphalt, and some big chunks of asphalt right under the surface, just a few inches. So apparently this used to be part of the street and got buried, got broken up and buried as sort of this substrate. So we're picking parts of it out, but it definitely starts right about here. This area was really soft. Either it didn't have that road under there or it's all been dug up. So that also explains why things aren't growing really well here. So we're probably going to just cover this and then either put planters or just put another layer of dirt on top of that and start with that. But that's it for today, day 3 of the front yard project. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.